Hi, I'm going to show you how I do my eyeliner spikes. I don't really know what started this all, honestly. I think I was just kind of like, I love wing eyeliner, how can I have more? And I did like a split look, like I did like a line from the top to here, and I know that it's like a little clown core-ish, and while I do love those looks, it's not really inspired by clowns or The Crow, which I've never seen. And I know that I need to get on top of that. I know I need to watch The Crow before the new one comes out. I think just, you know, for science. This is just one of the ways that I do this that I feel like it's kind of fast. And I say fast as in like when I'm not talking about it, when I'm not walking through and like describing it, I can do this so very quickly. So for starters, just using an eyeliner. I like to use these from Melt. So these are the slick waterline pencils. I like using these for this specific thing because they glide so well. So when I'm in a hurry, this is what I use. I also use the cake liners from Mob so often to make my like little butterfly spike, which obviously that's inspired by butterflies because I love butterflies and moths. But this particular one straight down, I sometimes do this as well. I know I've talked about this before. You've probably seen me on live talking about it as well, but here we go. So what I like to do is look straight forward into my mirror. So looking straight forward into my mirror, I take my pencil and I roughly make an outline without like moving my eyelid too much or moving my lower lash line too much rather. I just kind of drag it down and I make like a rough estimate to where the spike is going to be. It's literally not neat. It doesn't have to be. Then I just drag it back up. Boop. Boop. And whilst dragging it back up, I go to the side and make a little triangle. I will go in and kind of perfect or add on a little bit more if I want it to be a little bit more dramatic. But at this point, it doesn't have to be like super sharp. Again, repeating the step on the other side, I will look straight forward and roughly map out where I want my spike to be with my eye relaxed. And I can change, like, I can do this and kind of bring my cheek skin down. That is a gross sentence, I'm so sorry. But like doing that and kind of moving my eye a little bit to kind of get in any kind of fold. What is Pete doing? Peter? What are you doing? What are you doing? Now, these don't have to be perfect, and that's totally fine. I think it, you know, adds to the charm. But at this point, when I have like the bulk of the triangle or the spike built up, that is when I go in with a smaller brush. Now, this brush is one of my favorite small brushes of all time. This one is teeny tiny. It's a very tiny angled brush from Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I love Blend Bunny so much, and this is genius. This brush, I need to never not be without. I need to never not be without. I need to never not have. You know what I mean? I need this in my life forever. So what I like to do now is take this and take a dark shadow because it is kind of shiny. You can kind of tell there's a little bit of a sheen to that liner, which also I don't think I said the shade name, but that one was Rich Brown. Love this one. But this is when I will just go in with an eyeshadow and just kind of stamp it and make the tip of the triangle sharp. I'll just go in, stamp around. Doesn't have to be neat. Best part about grungy makeup is if it's a little messy, it looks good. Perfect. At this point, if you really want to have like a very sharp triangle, that's why I like using the cake liner, because usually I can just flick and make the tiny point. But in this instance, if you want to just take like a liquid liner and go pink, done. This is Mad Max Brown from KVD. This is one of my favorite brown liquid liners of all time, hands down, period, point blank, done. So this one, pink, 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 pink. So yeah, that's just one way how I like to do my little spikes. If you want to see another variation of this or whatever, let me know. But I like this a lot. I think it's really cute. I find that the more that I have done this, the less I feel like this is dramatic. Like, to me, this is like natural, daily glam. Feels very chill to me. Feels almost no makeup, and it looks cool. So it's a win-win-win-win-win-win-win. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you've tried spikes like these, I urge you to try them in like different angles or in different places. It's really so fun to play around with and see which ones you like most or see which ones you like best for the day. And you can change your mind every single day. You can wear your eyeliner different if you want every single day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Follow me for more makeup content, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye!